Alex, why is it that men always get sleepy after a long night of drinking?
I think it's because... I don't know.
You just said it.
Because we have boners?
Is that true?
Disagree.
I mean, I don't have one right now, but I will as soon as I wake up. I'm hungry.
What are you gonna order, Alex?
This right here, the...
You ready? You order?
Yes, sir. Can I have the Super Beer?
Yes.
Right now I'm ordering.
Super beer with free price or season price?
Yeah, can I get season fries? And then
Season
can I have a side of ranch, please?
Yes.
Can I get the Grand Slam?
Yes.
Can I get the 2 eggs? The hash brown?
Hey, Joel, I think you're recording the...
No. The toast sourdough? The sausage.
Egg scrambled over easy. Shouldn't say that.
You know what? Can I get scrambled?
Scrambled.
Thank you. What do you want, Alex?
Scrambled. Just eggs.
Can we just get eggs?
Just eggs?
Yeah.
Scrambled.
Scrambled eggs. Thank you. So this is the boys.
Hey, this guy is fucked up.
This guy, yes. This guy is pretty much fucked up.
I'm normal.
You know what? I'm amazed. I'm amazed that he actually DJ'd the whole night being fucked up, and right after, like, when he's like all done, this is the outcome. Hi, Gabby.
Go to the restroom, please.
I guess.